In today's video, we learn how to make a beautiful flower using tomatoes. For this, we will use tomatoes and cucumbers. We will present the tomatoes as flowers, and with them, we will attach the cucumbers to make a flower stem. Let's see how we can make a beautiful flower using tomatoes. To make the flower, we first have to cut some parts of the tomato from the middle, divide them into parts about 6 to 7 times, and we have to start opening these parts gently. As soon as we open it, it will appear as a very cute flower. Now we have to place it inside anything gently. We have placed it inside the plate and spread it completely. Now see how a cute flower has been prepared. To make this flower more beautiful, we have to put a stem under it. To put the stem, we have to use a cucumber. We have to cut a piece of cucumber and put it under it. See how beautifully we have made this flower. We mostly see this kind of flower in decoration. Learn to make many designs from vegetables. Learn to make many designs from vegetables. To learn this, subscribe to our channel and also turn on the bell icon so that you can keep reaching our latest video uploads. To watch more such good videos, comment on us and express your opinion in the comments so that we can keep preparing more for the latest video uploads.